Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. I'm David and I'm here to share with you today how much money I earned on YouTube my first 30 days monetized. So I don't do a whole lot of YouTube type videos, YouTube tips and income and things like that. But I can say that I've made quite a bit of money from this channel alone, just building a small YouTube channel. And offering quality tutorials and videos, and then in turn being able to make some sales as well on my own products, and also, recommending some quality products as well. I will be showing that in some other later videos on how you can make some good income from even small YouTube channels like this one, Teach Me Money Methods. But in this video, I want to jump in and show you, once my channel got monetized back in the beginning of November, so it's been over a month, but we're going to go back and look at the first 30 days of how much money am I going to make from YouTube when they should be sending a payment in about another month or so. I believe that you get paid 2 months after. So if whatever you make in November, you would be paid out in, I believe, the end of January, or it might even be February. I'd have to check on that, but there certainly is a delay, a couple of months before you actually get paid for that month. But obviously, once you get your first payment, then it's going to be steady. Every month, I'll be getting a paycheck from AdSense or from YouTube. So let's jump in and look at the stats right away. So I'm over here just on the live subscriber count. The subscribers have been pretty steady. My channel gets anywhere from 10 to 20 subscribers per day. It's been pretty steady like that for a while. I'd like to jump up and kick it up into the steady 20 per day. It's mostly around 10 per day right now. So about give or take 300 new subscribers per month. I'd like to get that to 20. So then I would be getting 600 subscribers per month, and the channel would grow, obviously twice as fast. So let's jump in. I'm going to go over here to analytics, and you can see, once that pulls up, you can actually see that my estimated revenue in the last 28 days is $216, which is pretty impressive for this small channel. I know that there's a lot of channels out there with, even 10,000 plus subscribers that don't make that much. It certainly has to do with the niche that you're in. But what I'm going to do is go up here, because this is only showing the last 28 days. I want to go up here and go to custom. And let's look at the actual first 30 days. So I'm going to have to go up to November 5th. I believe I got monetized and approved on maybe November 4th. Or November 3rd, but ads didn't really kick in until about November 5th. So we're going to go November 5th, and we're going to take that down to December 4th. And then that's 30 days, right? November 5th to December 4th, we're going to push apply. And so I'm going to show you right now. So I had a 14,000 views during that 30-day period. And you can see right here, $219.89. And so let's go ahead and jump into the revenue section of that. Actually, we can look at some of the days here. So I started off with an $8 day as my first day, which was really cool to see that. I was pretty kind of jumping for joy just to see that, it wasn't pennies and it wasn't even a couple dollars. It was actually, something that could be substantial when you look at it from a whole month standpoint. $200 is nothing to sneeze at. Some people's car payments are $200 or less per month. So this automatically just could, can do all sorts of things. You could take this money and you can use it for outsourcing to grow your channel, to grow other parts of your business. I look at it as bonus money, because I've certainly made thousands of dollars from this channel from other methods. So this isn't definitely, when you're talking about how much money you can make from monetize on a channel versus how much money you can make from recommending products or selling your own products on your channel. If you do it right, making your own products and being an affiliate has far much more of a ceiling that you can make more money from. So I had a couple low days, and I was like, oh, okay, well, it's settling in. And then I had my biggest day at And then it kept cruising. And then I had another almost $10 day, $7. $15.52 has been my biggest day on the channel so far. It will be really cool when I get to the point where it's $15, $20 daily, which would be a really cool goal to have. Then it dropped down again, but you can see it's averaging about $7 or so per day, another $12 day there. But about $7 is the average. Yesterday, had a good day as well, or a couple days ago. And then when we jump into the revenue, let's look at my CPM or my RPM. So CPM is at $41. That's how much money the advertisers are spending or paying per 1,000 views on the channel, which is pretty high. I like to see that. And then when it's all said and done and YouTube takes their cut, and I get paid out my portion, then that portion is going to be $15.69 is my RPM. And a good way to understand what this number means, this RPM, is to go ahead and take go back to overview, okay, and see how many views you're getting, right? So 14,000. So you would take your calculator out and you would go ahead and type that in, 14,016 views. Then you would divide that by 1,000. Okay. So now you have your 14.016. And then now what you want to do is you could take that 14 times, 14 thousands that you've had. You could take that 14 and then you could multiply it times what you're getting over here, which is, go back to revenue. So your 14,000 times 15.69, and there's your $219 on the calculator. That's exactly how it's worked out. So if you're ever curious about that. So yeah, what that means, that RPM is per 1,000 views on my channel, I'm getting $15.69, which is pretty good. I believe the average is $7 or less. So, yes, it is, has everything to do with the niche that I'm in. I'm on the Make Money Online niche, and I have spread out a lot of different topics of videos, a lot of low content and Amazon KDP type of videos. And believe it or not, those videos are not the videos making that get paid a lot of revenue. It's a very specific niche, and there's not a whole lot of advertising going on with those with that actual niche. The PLR profits and the Make Money Online tip videos that I have created are making the most money when it comes to monetization. So that is it. If you guys were ever curious about how much money my channel has made with just monetization, it's got a pretty good RPM, CPM right now, looking good at over $200 a month. December, I've already made $100. It's looking like I'm still at that $200 mark, but I'd really like to take it up to $300 or $400 a month. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. I hope that this kind of gave you some insight into my channel, and I'll try to make more videos like this as my YouTube journey continues. And thanks for subscribing to the channel. And I just try to offer value on this channel and bring you tips, a wide variety of tips. Make Money Online, low content, no content publishing, Udemy tips, being an instructor on Udemy, Fiverr, being a seller on Fiverr, and generally Make Money Online tips. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on my YouTube journey and all my other Make Money Online videos. Until next time, take care.